that $10 in Bitcoin that Bailey Martinez showed gave, and I'm going to withdraw it, like put it into ROOBET and then withdraw it, so you know actually how to do it. So first of all, let's turn on my ExpressVPN. Also, make sure you use my link in the description of that video, and I'll even put it in this video, to get yourself free 30 days of ExpressVPN. And this is the only VPN that I found that works with ROOBET. So now that I am connected, I can close or minimize that. Go to roobet.com. Also, please use the affiliate code RYBOSS when you're signing up. All you have to do is go to Accounts, and then General. At the top, it says Referred By. I actually use someone else's referral code, so they get it. But with this, you automatically will get level 1 status on rewards, which is really good because rewards gives you money back. So like the more you wager, the more you bet, the more money they'll give back to you. And without this, like if you don't have this level, you cannot earn your daily rake back. So use my affiliate code when you're signing up. You must do it if you're making a new account. When you're making a new account, make sure you do it within the first 12 hours, or just click on the link in the description of this video or the past video, and it'll automatically do it for you. But that is very good. Use that. And today I will be showing you how to, first of all, deposit, because some of you guys are having some trouble, and second of all, withdraw. So people, that was a requested thing, is to do a video on withdrawing. And I also found some other interesting information and about the fees of withdrawing at different times. So the fee for Bitcoin and your Ethereum to withdraw from ROOBET actually fluctuates like every day. So if you have $5 in your account, and you might want to wait until the transaction fee is at this price, because I've seen it actually at like $2 before, and that really sucks when you only have $5 in your account. You're trying to withdraw, and you only get $3 back. So actually, this price fluctuates depending on the price of Bitcoin, and same thing with your Ethereum. But today I will be showing you how to actually withdraw. So what you do, you see your Bitcoin address right here. What you're gonna do, copy Bitcoin address, and then it should say copy. Go back to Coinbase. You are going to click send. Then you are going to send the amount that you have, or whatever you want to send, to ROOBET. So right now I have $10.18. Thanks to Bailey Martinez. Bailey Martinez, you are a legend. Okay, thank you so much. Then you want to have the code that you copied, right, or your Bitcoin and or Ethereum address. The one that you have copied, you are going to paste that into your Coinbase account, or into Coinbase, or on the send tab. Then once you do that, you click the big blue send button, and the send button will tell you the Coinbase fee of $0. Coinbase is not taking a fee for this, which is quite nice, and then the network fee, which means I'm not sure how much that is, but it's going to turn out to be a 50-ish. So then you click the big blue send now button. Sends, so loading. Then it pops up with your confirmation. Your send is in progress. You will receive an email when your send status updates. Okay, so you'll get an email, or what you do, you should actually in the first few minutes. Bitcoin takes a little longer actually to transfer into your account, but within the first few minutes or so, you should get a notification that says we've received your recent deposit. Once your transaction reaches 3 confirmations, it will be added to your account. So you should see that every single time you make a transfer. Now, I have had some instances where one of my friends, they were depositing into their account, and what happened is they deposited a small amount. I forgot how much it was, but they just deposited a small amount, and it took them 3 or 4 hours. But look at this. So we received your recent deposit. Once your transaction, see, look how quick that was. That was nice. In my account, actually there. Now I can use it. I'll play one quick crash game just for you. Wait, I'm wondering. Wait, I forgot how much the minimum is for. What's the minimum for Bitcoin? Oh crap! I have to have $10. Holy crap! $10 to withdraw. All right, guys, I gotta bet. I gotta do a $1 bet here on Crash. $1 bet. I gotta make 10 bucks on here. Risky, risky, risky. This could be risky. Could be bad. I might have to. I don't know if I should have done that. I don't know if I should have done that. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Not good. Alright, $7. I gotta cash out at 2. At 2. At 2. At 2. 9. Oh, there we go. 970. Perfect. And now, let's see. Actually, I might be able to use the affiliate. Thanks to you, all of you guys, actually. Let's see if I can claim the 65 cents and withdraw for you. Claim. Oh, okay. I need one more person to use my referral code, and then I can do that. So I need to bet another $1. I gotta make 30 cents here. 1.3. Crap. Okay, good. I gotta make 30 cents. 30 cents. 1.3. 1.3. Let's go. Let's go. That was so perfect. I'm at the $10 minimum. Perfect. Oh my gosh. I made that so good. Alright. So now I'm at the $10 minimum. And what you want to do now, click on the green deposit button. However, you're not going to deposit. You're going to click on the withdraw tab. So with your withdrawal, so you have $10, which is the minimum withdrawal amount. But what you want to have to do is you know how, see, on your deposit, you have a Bitcoin address to deposit into ROOBET. Well, on Coinbase, you have a Bitcoin address to deposit into Coinbase. So you're going to go back to Coinbase, go to Coinbase, click on the receive button next to send. Click on the receive button. Yes, so you make sure you understand that if you send the crypto to the wrong address, Bitcoin, your crypto will be lost, so you won't get it if you do the wrong address. So make sure you select the correct currency. I do have Bitcoin. I'm just going to copy this. Copied it. And what you want to do now is go back to ROOBET. And on ROOBET, paste that address. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So I'm going to do $10, and 50-cent fee is the transaction fee. So I'll end up at $9.50 into my Coinbase account. So then you click the withdraw funds button. So withdraw button. Oh, okay. So actually, because I just recently deposited it into my account, like just a few minutes ago, it hasn't actually gone through its one confirmation to withdraw. So that means I have to wait a few minutes for that confirmation to be finished, and then once that finishes, I can withdraw. So it's been a few minutes. I want to see if I can actually withdraw now. I'm not sure if it's actually gone through its one confirmation, but I want to see if it has. So you paste your Bitcoin address, enter your amount. Oh my, look at this. Look at the transaction fee now. Look at that. It just changed to $2.10. I actually might wait to withdraw that because that's unheard of. That's crazy talk. Alright, so I have made the executive decision because of this insane transaction fee price. It was just at 50 cents. Like I said, it all fluctuates depending on the price of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, it just went up 1%. So that's probably why it's a higher transaction fee right now. But I also find it kind of stupid for me to transfer it back to Coinbase and then transfer it back. I'm just losing money doing that. So what you do, get your code for whichever one. So click on the receive button, let it load. It should pop up with your address, and make sure you have the correct selected cryptocurrency. Then you go to your cashier. With Bitcoin, it's a $10 minimum, and your Ethereum is a $5 minimum. And the transaction fee fluctuates, so maybe if you might want to wait like a day or so to get wait for that price to go down a little bit. But you paste that address into right here, Bitcoin address. You paste it there, put the amount you're trying to do, and then click the send button. And that's all. I haven't had. Some people were saying they made you use an ID. Maybe that's for like high if you're withdrawing like a lot of money, but I'm not really sure since I haven't done that. I haven't withdrawn a lot of money. Alright, so that will wrap it up for today's video. Make sure you click the like button and click that red subscribe button. Why not, you know? Thank you for watching. If you have any requests for future videos, please put them down in the description. I do plan on actually doing a $5 challenge to see what I can do with $5. And yeah, peace.